Let's pick some Jamaica cherry fruit. Ay, puki nalaglag. Ay, naku, ano ba yun? Palpak. Ay, wala na akong abuta. Ayun. Oh, diba? Ay, nalaglag ko. Aru. Oh, cherry. Aratilis pala siya. Aratilis. Oh. See, the people in the Philippines, they don't care about this fruit. But in different kinds of different country or like America, this is important because they said it has health benefits. Health benefits. So this is a tree. Let's see, we're in the back of the house. Yan ang puno. And the goats are here. How many are here? 4. And then there's more. Hold on. And he is the 5th one. And he is chunky and meaty. Oh my God, he's a boy.
4th na yun.
The one with the horn, they're boys.
4th. Yung dalawang
So he's the 6th one. 4 doon, tapos isa 6. Uy. Ayan, they're eating na. They're eating the grape leaves. That's healthier for them. Oh, yun na sila. Oh, they're coming. Very good. Yan yung kambing ng kuya ko. Ayun. Nangapit bahay, ng buntis. Yun na yun. Pero usually daw, kapag nagpapabuntis ng kambing, may bayad daw. But, since tumakas naman siya at ginawa lang niya yun, wala nang bayad. Wala kotsero siya Oh, yan. Alam mo, they like the grapes, oh. Mas maganda pa yan, kuya, kasi healthy. Oh. Alam mo yung leaves ng grapes? Ano yan, ginugulay din yan. Kinakain ng mga, ng mga puti. Oo, ang ginagawa nila, di ba, kahit yung mga gulay ng mga pumpkin leaves, nirarap nila with meat and stuff. Same thing with the grapes, they do that. Oo. O kasi ano yun Oho. Healthy yan, healthy para sa kanila. The goody goats are hungry and they like the grape leaves. Wow! Very good yan. At least alam mo na. First time ba nilang kumain ng grapes?
Kasi hindi nilalagay niya dito yung mga
Oh. Ngayon na, don't waste it. Give it to them.